This week's parsha is Parshas Emor. It says in the beginning of the parsha that the only people Kohen is able to come Tamei Meis to is his Krivim, his relatives. And when it says his Krivim, it says the mother before the father. So the Even Ezra explains the reason why it says the mother before the father is because it's known that a lady has a shorter lifetime than a man. So therefore, it's more likely for the mother to be nifter before the father. So therefore, we said the mother first. The question is that by a Kohen Gadol, 10 psukim later, it says a Kohen Gadol cannot become Tamei Meis to anyone, even his relatives. And when it says his relatives in the pasuk, it says the father before the mother. So why by Kohen Gadol does it say the father first? So the answer is that in order to become a Kohen Gadol, the pasuk says is that your father has to be the Kohen Gadol, and your father, when your father's niftar, you take him over and you become the Kohen Gadol. So therefore, the first Tamei Meis of a Kohen Gadol has to be the father, right? Because if you want to become Kohen Gadol, your father has to die. Then you take him over. So therefore, your father is going to be the first Tamei Meis. So therefore, it says the father before the mother by Kohen Gadol. And a proof to this is it says in the Gemara that if someone kills someone by mistake, he has to go to the Ari Mikla. And we know the only way that these people could leave the Ari Mikla is if the Kohen Gadol dies. So what happens? The mother of the Kohen Gadol goes and she brings food for these people, so they shouldn't daven that the Kohen Gadol should die. So you could ask a question: why doesn't the father of the Kohen Gadol also bring food? He doesn't care about his kid. So therefore, you could say it's a proof that you see that since the father is not able to bring the food, the reason why the father doesn't bring the food is because the father is not alive. Because the only way you're able to become a Kohen Gadol is if the father's nifter. And therefore, when it says a Kohen Gadol when it talks about Kohen Gadol in the psukim, it says the father before the mother. Have a great Shabbos.